Hello, today we are going to learn about group by and having class. Okay, so how do we perform group by and having class on a select queries? So while retrieving the data, what are all the conditions we can apply by using group by and having? So all we are going to learn about today. So before going to the topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Now let's start group by and having we will discuss. So first I'm going to execute this select star from company. So here I'm having data like ID, name, age, address, salary, joining date, all this we have. So mainly I'll explain the scenario where we can use this group by and having. Okay, so that you will get some idea on that, so that we can execute examples as well. Okay, let's say let's take one organization. In organization based on department, we need to get all the sum of the salaries. So at that time we have to use a group by, means group by department and having sum of salaries who are at something like level 3. Okay, so in having class we execute the condition, and in group by based on department we do the group by. So this is actually the basic scenario I have explained, but here I have a basic data. So based on this I will show you the examples of queries, how to write a queries. So let's start. Select what we can display, name and salary. Okay, from company table. So here I'm going to do group by name comma salary. Okay, so first only group by we will execute, so that after that we will do having class as well. Okay, so nothing will change because see, only these two details we got it, only total 6 columns. See, here I am going to tell you whatever the columns you are given in the select, right? So sorry, whatever the columns you are given in the group by class, those should you have to include it in the select class as well. Means see here, let's remove salary. Only group by name if you give, you have to get error here. See here, it will ask for salary also to include, because whatever the columns you have to give in the select, so those also should include in a group by as well. Okay, and next having conditions. So mainly what is the difference? See, you can say like in where class also we can give a condition, right? But in where class based on some condition only we can execute, but here in having class we can execute the result based on aggregate functions like sum, count, maximum, average. All these based on these functions we can group the columns together and we can give the condition in the having class. So based on this we but these aggregate functions we cannot execute in the where class. Okay, so having sum of salary is greater than 10,000. Let's execute this. See, greater than 10,000 all we have, so let's take greater than 20,000, so that only 3 records we got. But you can say like, okay, I'll show you the difference as well. Let's remove this and add where condition. Okay, remove having. So I'll try to execute this. See, we don't get, but only if you remove salary, sum, right? So then you can execute this. But based on aggregate functions we cannot execute a where class. The only thing is we have to execute having class. Okay, so here it will work like this. Now you see here, let's execute age as well. Age here also we'll give age. Okay, sum of salary. Here if you want to display sum of salary, that also we can display here. Okay, let's execute this. Here if you observe, for we gave here 20,000, right? Let's execute 10,000, so that I am going to show you the difference. Okay, you just see, all we got it, right? But here if you see, for Raj you have 30,000 and 20,000, two are there. Okay, now let's execute. You just remove here salary and you just see here, for Raj we got 50,000, only one record we got, because it group based on name and age, and then it displays the sum of salary of that particular employee, and also it execute the condition as well. Okay, so this is the whole idea behind the group by and having class. Okay, so you want, you can execute like count of name is greater than 1, so the only Raj record has to show. See here, because we have a two rows based with the name Raj, right? See, Raj and Raj, so that the count of Raj is greater than 1, which is satisfying, right? So that it will display only one record. Okay, so this is that one. Okay, the another function also we going to see, maximum age is greater than 23. Okay, so you can see here, see, maximum age greater than 20, whoever having those details it will show. So to execute aggregate functions based on conditions, we are going to use having class. Okay, so here the where class will not work, and group by also based on some rows and data, particular data we going to group by. So based on that we use a group by and having functions. Okay, so I hope you understood well. If you like this video, like to comment and share this video, as well as if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much.